Alright, what's up guys? Today we are talking about the ICEFOX UHD 4K action camera. We're going to do a full test and review of this product in a future video, so be sure you have your notifications on and subscribe to the channel if you're new. I'm very excited to see what's in here. Today we're just doing an unboxing and I'm going to give you my initial impressions. This came at a good time. ICEFOX reached out to me and said, we have a camera that we think you'd like. We'd love for you to test it and review it on your channel. And I'm certainly going to do that. But my GoPro died the day before they did that, actually. So in the future, we're going to see how this compares to my GoPro Hero 10 Black, which is the last GoPro camera that I had. We're going to see how well this films. We're going to see just how it stacks up. But I'm going to post all the links and everything down below. This camera is available on Amazon, and you're not going to believe the price. So check out the link down below, and I'll post some other links to their socials and everything, ICEFOX. So yeah, I have not looked inside the box. I just popped it here a little bit so that I could do this with one hand and hold the phone camera in the other. So let's see what we got in the box here. Alright, the always important user manual looks good. It's got like a little thumb screw thing. That's encouraging. I'm thinking that we can probably, yeah, we can mount this to my motorcycle helmet or my GoPro chest mount the way we would the GoPro camera. So that's good. It didn't show anything about that on the box. So, and again, this comes with a waterproof case, but as I understand it, it is waterproof without. So, yeah, it's in the case right now, and that's pretty cool. So maybe we have to keep it in the case if I'm going to mount it to my chest mount, or I don't know. We'll have to see how that all works. But so far, I mean, looks pretty good. Feels pretty solid. The lens looks pretty cool. And it's got a thumb screw much similar to a GoPro, and it slides into a GoPro mount like this right there. You see that? That's pretty cool. Okay, so we got the user manual, we got the camera. Looks like we got a couple of batteries here. 2 batteries, not bad. You never can have too many batteries when it comes to stuff like this. And as I understand it, the batteries are good for an hour or so, I think they said. I don't know. I suppose you guys can Google it just as easily as I can. Right now, we're just checking it out. We're just taking it out of the box. We're just seeing what's what. Not sure what this is here. And here, what do we have here? Claim your warranty by registering now and get 1 year free extension. Wow, how about that? Activate within 14 days. So yeah, I mean, to me, it looks like this company is taking this pretty seriously. Are they going to be a GoPro contender? I don't know. But again, check out the link down below. You're not going to believe the price. I mean, if this thing works at all, it's a pretty incredible value. Oops, I would say, if I don't break it first here. Ah, come on now. Everything is nicely packaged. I mean, very nicely packaged. Good box. What do we have here? I am not sure what this is, but we've got one. And more wrapped things. What else can we do here? Oh, other ways to mount this. Okay, yeah, we're going to figure this out. Maybe we don't need to. Yeah, it's got a little screw-in thing down there. I guess we don't need to use the waterproof case. That's good. Looks like they kind of... So far, and it's a swivel mount. No, pretty standard mount. I don't know. They got all kinds of mounts. What's this? A strap. I think this is a wrist strap. I think this has got a remote. We'll see. More stick-on stuff like peel and stick mounts and such. I'm guessing similar to GoPro. We've got a charging cable, looks like a USB-C. That's good. Very current as far as technology. More mounts and stuff. It's got all kinds of stuff in here. Again, like, I know how much this thing costs. You guys have got to go check it out. You're not going to believe it. Just all these extra mounts and stuff. I bought a kit on Amazon a while ago for my GoPro with all kinds of extra crap like this, and it was like $30. And this has just got it all here in the box, which I think is, ooh, a handlebar mount. Yes. Oh yeah, now we're cooking with gas. This thing comes with all of this stuff. Can you believe it? I gotta say, I am impressed. Oh, here's the remote. It's got a remote. You can, it's got an app that you can use on your phone too. You can use the remote on this wrist strap here, so you don't have to carry it separately. It'll be on your wrist all the time. Very, very cool. What's this? Another, I don't know exactly what this, whoa. Okay. Not sure what this is. We'll check it all out and figure out what it all does. I gotta say, so far, I'm quite very impressed with everything we've got in the box here. We've got a cleaning cloth, some sticky stuff, looks like a tether of some sort. That's pretty good. Nothing wrong with that. What else here? Some Velcro and some more straps and stuff. Wow, they really thought of everything. I mean, my GoPro didn't come with any of this stuff. I had to get it all separately. So that's a big advantage, ICEFOX, already. Again, we have no idea how well this thing works. This is the i8 model, I guess. We're going to do a full test, see how it goes. So far, I have high hopes and expectations for this thing. Another mount, a longer one. You got every kind of mount that you could probably want for this thing reasonably. So yeah, and you got your snap-on waterproof case here. Comes with the waterproof case if you want to go, like deep sea diving with this thing. I think it's I can't remember. We'll check that out. But how deep you can go with it. I know you can go a few feet or so, a few meters without the waterproof case, but I guess the waterproof case really lets you go a lot deeper if you want to. But that seems to be everything in the box here. And let's see what we've got. UHD 4K action camera, waterproof, up to 30 meters with the included housing. That's pretty deep. Like, I've never been diving that deep myself. Not sure if I ever would, but you could if you wanted to. So it's got a dual color display. Color screen on the front, color screen on the back. I'm impressed. My initial impressions are, go ICEFOX. Good for you. We're going to see how good this thing actually is. Be sure you have your notifications on. That's going to be coming soon. I have a lot of use for action cameras as I ride motorcycles, scooters, bicycles, e-bikes, electric scooters, all kinds of stuff like that on this channel. So we're going to get a lot of use out of this thing. We'll take it for a bike ride, I guess, in the next day or so and see what the footage is like and try out a couple of the features and stuff like that. So again, stay tuned, subscribe, have your notifications on. Shout out to ICEFOX for sending this to me to test and review. Again, links and everything are down below. Much more to come on this item right here. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Ask any questions if you have them, and look forward to seeing you again soon.